Hello, my name is Dale Richards. I'd like to introduce you today to a Knowledge is Power manual that can transform your business with increase of revenue, profits, and value 2 to 5 times, which has been implemented in over 150 companies in the United States. I've had the opportunity to speak over 400 times in 38 states and 7 countries on certified valuation principles and then my top 10 ways to 2 to 5x revenue, profits, and value. Just a minute with the top 10. Number 2 is the productivity pyramid. With just the productivity pyramid, we have 20 to 300% increased productivity of a company. Now think through, if your company could increase 10%, what would it do for the increase of capacity, lowering costs, and improve your effectiveness and efficiency? Number 3 is the 80-20 Gold program. This program is switching from a reactive customer service program to a strategically designed, proactive customer service program with building relationships. This program alone, we've been able to double revenue. Thank you for the opportunity to talk to you today. I look forward to working with you, and I wish you the greatest success in the coming year. Thank you.